You are everything. You are everything. You are everything. You are everything to me. You are everything. 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 You are. You are everything. Everything. Thank you, everybody. I'm Barbara Campbell. This is BC Original Rehearsal, and we're coming to you from Brooklyn, New York at the Barbara Campbell Television, and we're recording for Hello Middlebrook and Company, and you can find our channel on YouTube, our social media pages, and on our website. It is a beautiful time to be an artist and to be a listener of independent music. As an independent digital music artist from Brooklyn, New York, Crown Heights, I am creating music for your listening entertainment. Music heals the soul, and that is my mission. I've been talking about it. Music heals the soul, and we need a lot of healing, and music is going to do that. I hope you enjoy this solo performance, sneak peek into You Are Everything, and that's my song. All right, everybody, till then, you count, you matter, stay in Brooklyn, and I'll see you in the next minute. And thank you so much. I appreciate you all for tuning in, giving me your attention, and watching the show. Thank you. Please, to continue to support the show, tell your friends, just forward it, link it to an email, and just share it all around the world. All right, everybody. Bye-bye. Till then, you count, you matter. Stay in Brooklyn. Bye-bye.